At the zoo, Mia saw a huge elephant. She waved and said, "Hi, big guy." The elephant lifted his trunk and, achoo, a giant sneeze blasted out. Water flew everywhere. Mia got soaked. Her hair stood up like a pineapple. The elephant looked sorry and gave a soft trumpet. Then he grabbed a towel with his trunk and handed it to her. Mia laughed. "Bless you." The elephant smiled and sneezed again. Splash. Mia sighed. "Guess I'm taking a shower today."